Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today my daughter Kiera is going to show us all the goodies that she won at the Gina Bernina shop, and this was part of our shop pop tour here in East Tennessee. So I will let her jump in. She's been chomping at the bit to get into these goodies here. So we had a really good time checking out all the local shops, and I did drag her with me to every single one. She was such a good sport, and I think it's amazing that she won some fun goodies for her trouble. You want a headscarf?
No, thank you. So, how do you pronounce that?
That's the 505 temporary adhesive spray. So we use that on our batting. When I was machine quilting on this guy, definitely use a ton of that, and I still will like to anchor my stuff with it from time to time. I don't use it quite as much anymore, but
all right. Some fold over elastic.
Okay, I definitely used some of that way back in the day when I made cloth diapers for the kiddos.
Ooh.
It's been a little while since I had to do those.
It's a handbag zipper.
That thing is huge.
Whoa.
How long is it?
40 inches.
40 inches. What kind of handbag needs a 40-inch zipper?
This one's 30.
Oh my word. Seriously, that's like a suitcase.
Actually, it might be this one.
Oh, that one. You got the pattern for it. Let's see. I have to open this up. I'm sorry. I can't help.
Mom!
Oh my gosh, look at this zipper. I could measure things with it.
One zipper, two zipper. Yeah, so wait.
So it says open wide 2.0.
Mesh fabric, inner pocket. Oh, they like give you everything you need to make the bag.
Yeah.
Decorative ribbon.
Okay. I didn't say it wasn't ribbon. You said you thought it was tulip paint.
That's what they said.
Mm-hmm.
Coordinating fabric. Zipper. 118, 115, 118. I mean, 111, 15, and 18. So, inches.
Well, and these are double zippers, so you could...
I think this is the ribbon.
Theoretically. Yeah, that is tulip pink ribbon.
That's tulip pink ribbon.
I told you that. We like to bicker and argue a little bit, but it's all in good faith. Okay, are you going to open this and show us or not? Okay, because if you don't open it, I'm going to open it.
Oh, jeez, look at that.
It's beautiful. This was quite a steal on the basket. It has a lot of free spirit, tulip pink coordinated stuff.
Cute.
So the pattern was, let's see, it's called Open Wide, Sturdy Zipper Bags in 3 handy sizes. And it's by Annie.com. That's fun.
Yep. Matches Walter's quilt.
And the retail on this pattern was $12.50. And then we had our zippers.
Oh, look at the back.
I don't see a price tag on them.
The back is interesting.
Yeah, that's kind of like if you were to use it, you want to anchor it because things will get snagged in there.
Yeah. Oh, hey, these are so cute. Okay, I really like this one. The camera can't see it, I'll bet.
Yeah, I like to do close-ups at the end. That's a pretty ribbon. It's nice and thick, too.
So I feel like they, like, cut it up, maybe? Because I don't see that in there.
What do you mean?
Like, they cut this out of the ribbon for this.
Oh.
Maybe. I'm not sure. Because I'm not seeing that everywhere else.
Well, I mean, it's this ribbon. Okay.
I'm sure you can see it better.
Awesome.
This. No, you can't. Okay. Then there's some a seam. Ooh. Oh, so it's basically make your own iron-on patches.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Cute. That is adorable.
So it's double stick fusible webbing. Mm-hmm. I wonder if I could use this. Can I use it?
Yeah.
I wonder if I could use this to do the Sweetwater basket that just came in for all of the snowflakes that we have to applicate.
So mesh fabrics.
Cool. What's that for?
The bag. I'll bet everything is.
Is it for the inside of the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for the pockets.
Yeah, I bet everything is for the inside of the.
And that's what the fold over elastic goes over the top edge of your fusible flesh. Not.
All right, cute. We've got like some really cool patterns. Farmers market. I don't know what's.
Can I take a peek?
Yeah.
All right, so it says say it, goodness gracious, say it with quilted skinnies. 8 clever wall quilts to personalize your home. So it looks like kind of seasonal, wash and dry. There's one for the laundry room, and then they've got the applique pattern so that you can cut out all your pieces and then applique those banners together. So not unlike the Riley Blake door banner kit. Cool. Awesome.
I feel like that's what that's for.
Yeah, it is. So you're saying I can't use it now?
Maybe.
Okay.
You can buy it yourself.
Oh, did you hear that? I can buy it myself. Okay, so that's a big fat quarter bundle. How many fabrics did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, it's from 2023.
7, 8, 9,
Thing's
10,
old.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15.
You know, only you. These kids, they think something's 2 years old. It's like old.
It's not 2 years old.
It's not even 2 years old, and you're saying it's old.
Well, it's old for fabric. I'm sure they're not selling it anymore, right?
They may not be producing it anymore, but they're probably still selling it. Okay.
Got some cute neon fabric. Oh, I really like this fabric. That's the fabric that I said I like from like the big. Oh, what's it called? The ship hair. From that one fat quarter shop.
I think
box.
that one was from like two years ago. That was a pre-cuts box.
Comes with this.
Cool basket. Keep all your stuff in. All right, so you got a pretty cool little bundle here. I know she was excited to get to share it with you all, and I'm glad that we're going to get to do some fun new projects together.
Yep.
Keep you busy in the sewing room. All right, so I'll get you guys some close-up pictures of all the fabrics and all the books. It looks like some fun ones. And if you have any tips or tricks on how to make some of these bags, I'd love to hear it because I don't do just a ton of bags.
It's designer ribbon.
Designer ribbon. Awesome. All right, well, if you like any of these unboxing videos or any of my tutorials, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And until then, we'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.